This is Project Roadster, an E.C.D Defender 110 engineered to push the limits of what a classic off-roader can become. At its core is a LT4 V8, delivering supercharged power through an 8-speed automatic transmission and Atlas transfer case. Strength comes from Curry high-pinion Dana axles, giving this Defender the durability and capability needed to tackle terrain well beyond the pavement. Beneath the body, the chassis is purpose-built for control and travel. Fox 2.5 factory series coilovers, RS fast-link suspension geometry, and long travel articulation provide stability across rough ground, while Baer Pro Plus 6-piston brakes deliver the stopping power to match its performance. Its stance is bold and purposeful. Finished in volcanic moss green pearl with an eggshell finish, contrasted by a Narvik black roof and Optimil black metal accents, the exterior balances classic Defender character with a commanding presence. Fuel ammo wheels wrapped in 35-inch Nitto Recon-Grappler tyres, a worn Xeon 10S winch, and an external ladder-style roll cage signal that this build is ready for serious exploration. Inside, craftsmanship meets utility. Corbeau Trailcat seats wrapped in Porsche Nappa Sand Beige leather with honeycomb stitching create a cabin designed for both comfort and durability. A custom center console, Moel bomber gauges, and an E.C.D Momo Prototipo steering wheel anchor the interior, while modern features like Apple CarPlay and rear AC bring everyday usability to a classic platform. From its engineered chassis to its handcrafted interior, every detail serves a purpose. Project Roadster is a machine designed to explore further, drive harder, and experience the road and the trail without limits.